Hey guys, it's Monica at Academic Phoenix Plus, and welcome to a channel update. I have a lot of things to share with you, so I wanted to make a personal video. I rarely like to show my face. I'm a little shy about it, but I thought maybe you guys could see my face for the first time. Hello. You can also see it in previous reaction videos, but here you go. This is what I look like. I wanted to share some big news with you, especially at the very end, so make sure you stay and watch the whole thing because I have some exciting news at the end. But first, let's talk about the channel. The channel is doing really great. I personally love Academic Phoenix Plus and YouTube. It's growing. And I also just released a new video series for ZBrush. It's an introduction video tutorials where it goes over the fundamentals of ZBrush. And I would love for you guys to watch it and let me know what you think. Another big news is that I have updated my website. So let me show you around. So this is the new website. Hopefully it's a little bit easier to navigate so you get to experience it all. If you scroll down, these are my goals. And of course, I want you to learn. You can find out about me and also what the goals are for this channel, which is to always give you guys free content and hopefully get you the skills that you can either transfer into a college and try to test out of classes, maybe even get an entry-level job. That would be amazing. But you can also find out about the tutorials here, which I've actually cluttered together. So if you're interested in XGen, ZBrush, the basics, 3D characters, skin and eyes, how to create your own, how to rig your own character, and so much more, feel free to check a look at those tutorials. But of course, you can also watch them in YouTube. As always, I provide free downloads, so you're more than welcome to download the axe, which is where the brush tutorials series is used. You can download the mug and glass, which will show you guys how to create Bifrost liquid, and so much more. So take a look at all these downloads. They are for free. And a new addition to the website, which I'm very excited about, is courses. As you may know about me, I actually am a teacher full-time, and I have been teaching for over 10 years. People pay thousands of dollars to take my classes. I'm actually providing them for you for significantly less. You can find out how to model, how to build a cool Tower of Pisa. And the cool thing about the Tower of Pisa is that it revolves. They'll give you occlusion, wireframe. It shows you the whole step from beginning to end. If you want to learn about texturing, you can, and of course, UV mapping. So these are all courses that you can check out and learn from it. I'm planning to make more of these courses because I have 10 years of content. So hopefully you guys will like the courses. And of course, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you think these are helpful? Do you think this is not helpful? I would love to know your thoughts, as always. The big news is that my partner and I are expecting. That's right. We are going to have a little one any day now. So I did wanted to let you guys know that I will probably be gone for a little bit because I'll be busy with a newborn. And I'm super excited for this new chapter in my life. Everything that I do has been to grow my career and to become a mom, and I get to do that. So I'm like ecstatic. So I did wanted to share that with you. I will be absent for a little bit because my main focus is going to be, a little human. I do have video series set up for you guys, uploaded, and they are going to be released every Wednesday for the next month. But you guys don't have to worry. The content will still be coming. So I'm grateful. I'm blessed. So again, I'm very excited about this new journey in my life. Maybe I'll start making baby stuff. Who knows? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know there's a lot of video tutorials out there. So the fact that you guys spend time with me really means a lot. So I really appreciate you and the time that you take to not only work in your art, but also to spend time with me. Keep creating, and I will see you next time.